Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings, tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to turn on graphic driver preferences for any apps on your Android phone in order to boost performance of any app you are using on your Android phone. And this is one of the best settings you need to enable right now, most especially if you are having app crashing while you are using it or phone nagging when you are operating with any apps on your Android phone. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Android phone settings. After you open up your Android phone settings, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on My Phone. And the next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down and make sure you navigate to Fashion Info. Under the Fashion Info right here, what you need here is build number. What you need to do right here is to tap on your build number 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just like so. Just like so, you are now a developer. Once you enable a developer, you will have access to assign GPU dedicated or graphic preference dedicated for any app on your Android phone for fast and smooth performance of any apps you are working with on your Android phone. So let's get started. The next thing you want to do is to go back right here, continue to go back. Now you are back to your settings. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and then make sure you navigate to System. Go ahead and click on System. Under the System right here, what you need to do is to scroll down right here and then go ahead and click on Developer Options. Once you click on Developer Options, it takes you to Developer Options right here. What you want to do right here is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. And continue to scroll down until you get to Graphics Driver Preferences right here. Go ahead and click on that. And it's going to open up like so. Now use graphic driver preferences. Make sure this button is on, and at the same time go ahead and click on enable for all apps and make sure this is also checked. Now you can now assign each graphics driver dedicated for any apps you are using on your Android phone. So you have all apps right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all apps. Like for instance, I want to assign a graphic dedicated card for edit. So go ahead and click on the app, then this is going to open up. Go ahead and choose System Graphics Driver. Click on that. You have fully assigned a dedicated graphics driver for this particular app. You can choose as many as possible app. So this particular Filmora app right here, I'm assigning a system graphics driver for that also for fast, smooth, and easy performance, whatever tasks I'm doing with the app. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.